All right, so part D, for the momentum and variable mass collision problem, we want to determine whether momentum is conserved. Okay, so for part D, is momentum conserved? What we can conclude is yes. So under the assumption that the collision ejection process occurs over a sufficiently short interval and that there is no significant external impulse, total linear momentum is conserved. As a check, the final momentum of the composite body is P sub comp equals 14m over 5. This would be times negative u over 14 comma 5u over 2. So from here, P sub comp equals this negative mu over 5 comma 7mu. And adding the fragment momentum, P sub f equals negative mu over 5 comma 7mu plus 6mu over 5 comma 0. So which yields P sub f equals mu comma 7mu equals P sub I. So the momentum result checks exactly. P sub f equals P sub I. So that's all for part D. Thank you very much and have a great day.